Here is a test question. We are going to do reverse calculations. We know the composition of a function. We need to find this value exists at which x value. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are doing excellent, joining the best universities, even with scholarships. Now let's look into the solution of this particular problem. We're given that the graphs are not given to us. We are given the function f of x is equal to square root of x plus 4 and g of x is equal to minus 2x plus 1. Now, we are also given that f of g of x is equal to 0. We need to find the value of x. So there are a couple of ways to do it. However, the best which I feel is find out what is this function f of g of x. So we can write this as f of g of x is minus 2x plus 1. Substituting this value, we get this as equal to square root of, instead of x, I'll write minus 2x plus 1, the argument of this function. And then we have plus 4, right? So that becomes the function, which is basically square root of minus 2x plus 5. And this function should be equal to 0. You get the idea. So basically, that is what we need to solve. And from here, we can get the value of x, right? So that's simple. So you can square both sides. So you can say minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x equals to 5. X equals to 5 by 2. Or you can also write x equals to 2.5. Make sense? So that is how you could actually solve this question. What we also learned here is that f of g of x basically is another function. We could call this as h of x and is equal to square root of minus 2x plus 5. Now you can use this equation and solve part b. That's the whole idea. So I hope you understand. It is a composite function. So write the inside function as an argument for the outside function. Define new function and then equate and find the solution. So let's take up the solution of part b, which is we know what f of g of x, we are given this as equal to 3. We just now found that f of g of x is minus 2x and 1 plus 4 is 5, right? Equals to 3. Now to solve this, what should you do? Well, square both sides. As soon as you square both sides, you get minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 3 square, right? Let's continue. Minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. Or we can say 2x is equal to minus 9 plus 5. 2x is equal to minus 4. X is minus 4 by 2. Or you can say minus 2. So in this case, we found that x is equal to minus 2. You can verify the answer. If I substitute x as minus 2, we'll get g of minus 2 and then we'll get a value which is minus 4 and then we'll get our answer which will give us the result, right? So let's just work it out and just show you that how it really works, right? So let's check, right? So what is g of minus 2? G of minus 2 is minus 2 times minus 2 plus 1, which is 4 plus 1 or 5, right? And now if I do f of 5, which is square root of 5 plus 4, it is square root of 9, which is 3. Makes sense. So we got our answer. So that is how you could also verify the result. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.